American expose, absence of light. People will be clandestine about their faith over other people acting outside the law, or fear that they might, or fear that they won't be fair in a way that, you know, will otherwise severely affect them. Yahweh is more an idea of God that Christians have opinions on than their exclusive deity. Yahweh isn't exclusive to Jews either. It's a pre Hebrew formula stemming from ancient Egyptian and other Near Eastern languages, even other than Aramaic. If a person says that 100 times as many group-based witches are cult members, Kingdom of Cults must just be listing every non-atheist person with a faith type that isn't Christian, perhaps even which isn't of the bigger 5 or 6 types of Christianity. Lust and sacrifice was reveled in legally and even morally, but it was not the morality imposed by the nature denying church. Satanism can be nature opposing or affirming. Just like people who have reached the age of accountability are responsible for what they accept or reject outside of cults, they are certainly responsible in them, regardless of programming. Testimony of children and rebellious youth are used in court cases all the time, but much of what programs like this mention lacks credibility. People will use the focus on conflict to fill in the gaps of knowledge with dangerous possibilities. Depression and dark interests are more often associated with problems other than changing religion. How can we deny religious freedom to do what we do through the companies and government? Now, one thing I hope to do with this series is that I intend to show different varieties of the whole satanic panic. Like there's gotta be some LDS specific ones, whether or not the church itself addressed it, certainly out in Utah or something.